Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your BMW Z4 roof. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is on. It's crucial that the trunk partition is correctly positioned. This allows the roof to retract properly. Also, take a quick look around and above your car to ensure there are no obstructions that could interfere with the roof's movement. Safety first for a smooth operation. Now locate the convertible top switch, which is usually found conveniently near your gear selector. Once you've found it, simply press and hold the switch down. You'll see the roof mechanism begin to operate. It's important to continue holding the switch throughout the entire process until the roof is completely open and securely stowed away. This ensures a complete and safe cycle. As the roof opens, take a moment to observe its smooth operation as it folds and stores itself neatly into the designated compartment. You'll also want to listen for an audible click or sound, which confirms the roof has fully latched into its open position. Additionally, you'll notice that your windows will automatically lower as part of the opening sequence, preparing you for an open-air drive. To complete the process, check your dashboard to ensure the roof indicator light is off. This confirms the roof is fully open and secure. Also, make sure your windows are in their preferred position for your drive. With these simple steps, your BMW Z4 is now ready for you to enjoy the open road and the beautiful weather. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.